Model, 64 2014 Ford Transit Custom 290 Ecotec TDCi 100L-H1 long wheelbase, needs turbo. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 136707. MOT, the 25th of September 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2100 PS TDCiA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs really well but it's underpowered. There is no shaking or engine back pressure. This is a straightforward turbo replacement job. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van and a nice easy project for someone. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999